Hello friends, how are you? I am fine. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome Make Money YouTube channel. The very important topics, the motivational space, the how to create YouTube channel and how to make money of online. The YouTube channel can be categories must be important part. You are the creating YouTube channel must be then select category. As like YouTube provide these categories. YouTube provide these categories autos and vessel. Number 1. Number 2, comedy. Number 3, education. Number 4, entertainment. Number 5, film and automation. Number 6, gaming. Number 7, how to style. Number 8, music. Number 9, news and politics. Number 10, non-properties and activities. Number 11, people and blogs. Number 12, pet and animals. Number 13, science and technologies. Number 14, sports. Number 15, travels and event. So friends, your first time category select, then you create YouTube channel, the how to create, make money, the gain YouTube channel and YouTube blogging, the how to make money, the online platform. Then skill, YouTube blogging, you can make money, the online platform, offline platform, local market, international market and worldwide market. Just you can choose. They're very important part, the YouTube categories. Can YouTube your videos categories the marketing, your YouTube algorithms. You are the how to start content creator and script writing, video editing and graphic design, the total blogging, the create YouTube channel, the income, passive income, sponsor income, advertising income, YouTube partner income, AdSense income, etc. So some definition of YouTube categories. YouTube channel can be categories in various ways, but here are some common category. Common category, entertainment. The channel that forecasts entertainment such as mass music, movies, television shows, TV shows, comedy and gaming. Entertainment category, the fourth category. Number 1, music. Number 2, movies. Number 3, TV shows. Number 4, comedy. Number 5, gaming. The second, education. Education channel that provide the education content such as science, history, language, academic subject. Education categories, create your YouTube channel. Education channel then provide education content such as science, technology, history, language, academic subject. Number 3, lifestyle. Channel that cover topics related person, growth, health and cover topics related personal, cooking, health and beauty, home doctor, etc. is the lifestyle. Number 4, news and current event. The channel that report on the current event, politics and news from around the world. Sports. Channel that cover different sports related news and event. Number 6, technology. Channel that cover teach related topics such as review, tutorial, and news. Technology channel categories channel the cover teach related topics as review, tutorial, and news. Number 7, business. The business channel forecast entertainmentship, business news, and financial topics. Number 8, kids and family. Channel the provide contain subtitle for the children and families such as cartoon, education videos, and family friendly videos. Number 9, science and technology. The channel that provide contain on the last advertising the science, technology launching, the new discovered and invoice. Number 10, the gaming. The channel forecast video gaming, launching, review, working, and the live streaming. The friends, how to make money, create a YouTube blogging and YouTube channel. Must the follow them categories. Categories is a very important part of YouTube. YouTube videos, the view lot of audience, the provide YouTube algorithm, YouTube software, the your categories. You must be part YouTube channel create how to make money categories needed. And these categories blogging, entertainment, education, lifestyle, news, sports, science and technology, etc. Lot of categories. I have the video description of these categories. So friends, you can make money. You one skill gather him how to make money. I request start today the YouTube channel creating YouTube channel all side step to step, the creating, matching, design, thumbnail, content, description, video editing. This is make the lot of make money. Thank you very much. You can comment sharing your knowledge. I love my sharing my knowledge. Please comment, subscribe, and views and your friend sharing. Thank you.